guys, today I wanted to share a science add-on, you could say, that my kids have been absolutely loving and I love as a mom for several reasons. But let me show you what it is. Generation Genius. Now, it is this guy right here, Dr. Jeff. He's your host. He's your scientist. He is the main man behind the screen. So it is a subscription box of science experiments, obviously, and 3 science experiments come inside every single box. Now, this is something that I have been looking for my children for quite a while. While my children are curious and want to do science experiments, I kind of don't know where to start. And by the time I collect all of the things, there really isn't really that cool, okay? So in this box, I'm going to open it up and show you guys, but I'm not going to show you the password. So every box that you get, on the top flap of the box, it tells you where to go, the website to go to, and then the password to get into that kit's videos for the science experiments. So you just set up a laptop. Well, this is how the box comes, okay? But you just set up a laptop and let your kids go to town. Now, it does go through like a safety video every single box. The first science experiment that's listed goes through a safety video on how your kids should be safe, how there should be an adult around, things like that. So that is nice. I have found that it does recommend ages 9 and older. I have found that most of these science experiments, don't tell Dr. Jeff, I can include my 5-year-old and my 3-year-old as observers, and once the experiment is over, they kind of like to have fun and play with whatever it is that they were doing. It comes with 3 science experiments. You always get 3 different sizes of gloves: extra small, small, and medium. They used to just do small, medium, and large, but I think they realized nobody needs the large gloves because, like I said, I just let my kids do it mostly. It comes with 3 science experiments. The things that is cool about these science experiments is that they have the ability. It's not just I'm doing this one science experiment and I do it once and the ingredients are gone and I can't do it again. He sends enough in each bag. For example, this bag, I don't even know what this is, sodium acetate towers. Looks pretty awesome. He sends enough in the bag for them to do the science experiment twice or 3 times, so they can play around and change the factors, and he actually encourages them to use less of an ingredient or more of an ingredient and see what happens. And so I think that that's really cool. Also, the host, Dr. Jeff, is very engaging and keeps my children's attention very well. The reason why I love this subscription box so much is that once they are done doing the science experiment, you can throw it all away and recycle things. And that's the other thing that this host tells you, is what can be recycled and what can go in the trash and what goes down the sink. So everything is absolutely safe. And it's been really amazing. This box that I just opened up for you is the 5th box that we have received and that we are going to be doing. They do their science experiment and then we either recycle, dump down the sink, or throw away what's left behind, and when we are done, we clean it all up and it all goes somewhere that isn't stored in my home. So I absolutely love that, because as a mom that homeschools and I have 5 children, they collect plenty of things on their own to where I need a subscription box that they're not going to be collecting more stuff. They're going to be learning, experiencing something really cool, but then we move on and that goes down the road and it's gone. So that is why I really like these. I haven't really seen them out or getting a lot of traction in the homeschool world. So if you guys have any questions about this particular subscription box, I will try my best to answer them. And if you have this and have tried it out, let me know your thoughts. But if you have other science-y boxes like this that are similar to doing the experiment and then getting rid of it at the same time, let me know, because I'd be curious to find and learn more. Okay, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!